Abdullah from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum.
Sheikh, I saw one of your videos on YouTube where you said that it's permissible to recite salah by just moving your tongue without any audible noise. My question is, can I do the same with the morning and evening athkar by reciting the athkar with just moving my tongue without any audible noise?
Of course. Imagine if you're in the masjid alongside 200 individuals and each one of them is making a noise when saying the athkar or reading the Quran. That would be annoying and disturbing the peace and distracting you from even doing your own athkar. Yes, the sunnah is to say it silently without making a noise.